The future of business AI isn't about simple chatbots anymore. It's about intelligent agents that truly understand your company and your customers. Imagine an AI that doesn't just reply, but connects directly with your website and your social platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. It executes workflows, automates complex tasks, all without writing a single line of code. This is GPTBots AI, built with enterprise-grade security and scalability, helping businesses respond faster, sell smarter, and support customers 24/7. And the best part, you can build and launch your own in minutes for free. So let's dive in. Go to the link in the video description. Simply tap the Join Free button, then create an account. I already have one, so let me sign in. Now we've entered the GPTBots website dashboard. On the left side, you can see agents, workflows, and tools, each with different functionalities. I'll explain these during the video. Now I will show you how to create a customer support AI agent step by step. Tap New Agent. Here you'll find multiple templates for customer support, lead generation, and more. I'm showing how to create an AI agent from scratch so you can build anything. Select the Flow agent so we can drag and drop multiple components together. I'm creating this for an e-commerce brand named TrendX. Let's name it TrendX Customer Support Agent and give the description, Official TrendX Customer Support Agent. Hit Create. Now we've landed on the page where we can set up everything for our AI agent. The first thing we'll do is add a knowledge base. A knowledge base can contain your company details, business policies, general FAQs, or product information, and the AI will reply to customers based on this data. To add it, go to Documents and tap Create Knowledge Base. First, we'll add product details. Name the knowledge base Product Catalog, and in the description field, write Product Details and Price. Click OK. Now, a new folder has been created, and here we can see Product Catalog. I've already prepared an Excel file that contains the product name, category, size, price, and description. Now, we're going to add this Product Catalog Excel file to our AI agent's knowledge base. Click on Add Knowledge, and you'll see that we can add different types of files here. The first one is text format, which means a simple PDF or document file. The second option is table format, which allows us to upload Excel or CSV files. The third one is Q&A format. Since we have an Excel file, let's choose table format and click OK. Next, upload the file and click Next. Here we have to choose an embedding model. The best part I noticed about this platform is that we don't have to connect any external API keys. Everything is built into the platform itself. Let's choose the default model, embedding 002, and keep the splitter settings as default. Click Save. Within a few seconds, it will learn from our file, meaning it will convert the data into vectors so the AI can understand it better and provide more accurate information to users. Next, we have to add one more file, a frequently asked question sheet. This includes common questions like, what's the return policy? How do I track my order? And do you provide free shipping? So, let's create a new folder. Click on Create Knowledge Base and give the name FAQs. For the description, enter General FAQs and questions. Click OK. Now the folder has been created. Open it and click on Add Knowledge. Select Table Format, click OK, and upload the file. Then click Next. Choose the embedding model as 002, keep the settings as default, and click Save. Within a few seconds, the data will be vectorized, and it's done. Next, we'll configure our AI agent. Just go to Configuration and click on Edit. Here, you can simply drag and drop to set up your AI agent. By default, you'll see the start and end nodes. From the start node, let's add a classifier. This will analyze the user's message and route it to the right section. For example, whether it's a product inquiry, a general question, a request to track an order, or someone wanting to talk to a human agent. Let's change the node name to Input Classifier and keep the LLM model as GPT 4.1. We can leave the model parameters as default. Next, we have to add an identify prompt, which means a system message. Let's add, you are an official customer support agent of our brand, TrendX. you have to identify the category of the customer's question. Now, scroll down and go to the classifier settings. Here, we'll add different classifications. First, let's add product details and give the description as user asks about product details and pricing. Next, add general FAQs with the description user asks general questions and inquiries. Then, add order status. This means when a user wants to know their order status, we'll route it to a section and create a workflow to check the order status. And finally, add human support, which means when a user wants to talk to a human agent. Perfect. Let's keep the rest of the fields empty. You can always add more classifications later based on your requirements and logic. Now, we can see the classifications we created earlier. First, we'll start with the product details route. Here, we'll add a knowledge retrieval node. This will allow the AI to fetch product information directly from our knowledge base whenever a customer asks about product details or pricing. Let's rename the node to Product Inquiry. Next, click Add Knowledge Base and select the folder we created earlier, Product Catalog. Keep the rest of the settings as default and click OK. Now, from the Found section, let's add an LLM node. This node will use the retrieved data to generate a proper, natural response for the user. Select GPT 4.1 as the model. In the Identify prompt, add, "You are an official customer support agent of our brand Trend X. Respond to user questions in a friendly and professional manner. You must respond based on the provided reference information. Don't make up any answers. If you don't have relevant information, politely mention that." We don't need to change any other settings. Just click OK. Now connect the output to the end node, and from the Not Found section, connect it to the same LLM model. This ensures that even if a product isn't found, the AI will still respond appropriately. Let's test it. Open ChatDebug and ask, "Hi, I need a sunglass." You'll see the AI retrieves the relevant data and replies, "Hello, thank you for your interest in our products. We have stylish unisex sunglasses available for $18, along with the product description." When we check the file, we can see the same details, so it's working perfectly. Now let's move on to our second route, General FAQs. The process is the same. First, add a knowledge retrieval node and rename it to General FAQs. Then, add the knowledge base and select the FAQs folder we created earlier. Click OK. From the Found section, add an LLM node, choose the GPT 4.1 model, and paste the same Identify prompt as before. Keep all other settings as default and click OK. Finally, connect the output to the end node and also link the Not Found section to the LLM model. Now let's test this as well. Open ChatDebug and ask, "Do you provide free shipping?" The system will retrieve the information and respond, "Yes, we offer free shipping on orders above $50. When you check your knowledge base file, you'll see the same answer. Okay, let's close this. Now, let's move to the third route, order status. This is the part where, whenever a customer asks about their order, the AI should check the current status and respond accordingly. To do this, we'll create a separate workflow that handles the order tracking process. First, add a new LLM model node and rename it to order status. Now, in the Identify prompt, add, "You are an official customer support agent of our brand, Trend X. If the user wants to know the order status, call the Track My Order workflow with the order ID. Ask for the order ID if it's not provided by the user. Respond in a friendly and professional manner." Below this, you'll notice two options, Workflows and Tools. These allow you to integrate custom workflows or API calls directly within your chatbot. For now, we'll use only the workflow part. So, enable the workflow option and select the one named Track My Order, which we already created earlier. Let me give you a quick overview of how it works. When you go to your website dashboard, open the Workflows section. Here, you can create new workflows. And as you can see, I already have one created named Track My Order. It's a simple setup, a start node, a HTTP node, and an end node. The HTTP node makes an API call to your website to fetch the order status using the provided order ID. So whenever our AI calls this workflow, it will automatically return the real-time order status to the user. Once you've created this workflow, make sure to publish it. Then, return to the AI Workflow Builder and ensure it's selected under the Workflow section. Click OK and then connect the output to the end node. Now let's test it. Open ChatDebug and type, "What's the order status?" The bot replies, "Could you please provide your order ID?" Now enter an example ID like 431 and instantly the workflow runs and returns. Your order with ID 431 is currently being processed. Perfect. It's working as expected. Now, let's move on to the final route, when the user wants to talk to a human agent. For this, we'll use the human handoff node, which allows you to connect platforms like Intercom, Webhook, Live Chat, and more. In this demo, let's keep it simple by just providing direct contact options to the user. So, instead of connecting to an external platform, we'll display a card message with call and email options. Set the data type as card. For the title, enter "Contact Us." In the content, write, "Sure, please connect with our support team directly." Next, add a button and set the name as call, then enter your phone number in the action field. Add another button, name it Email Us, change the action type to send email, and add your support email address. Click OK and connect this node to the end node. Let's test it. Open ChatDebug and let's ask, "I would like to talk with your support team." And here we go, it's running perfectly and we got the correct response with our contact card. Now that we've completed all the configuration steps, let's publish our AI agent. Now comes the most exciting part, integration. We can integrate this AI agent directly with our website or connect it to social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and more. I'll show you how to integrate it with our website as well as on WhatsApp. To integrate with our website, simply enable the bubble widget and click on Manage. Now go to Custom UI, where we can customize everything. Let's give the widget name as TrendX Customer Support and the widget introduction as, "Hello, how can we help you today?" Let's choose the theme color to match our brand identity. Here, we can change the bubble icon by using the default options or uploading a custom one. We can also set the agent, avatar, and other visual preferences. Once you've set everything up, click Save. Now go to Integrations, and here we can see a single line of code. Just copy this one and paste it into your website's head tag. I have a demo website on WordPress, so let me add it there and save. Let's check it on the website. And here we go, the AI agent is live now. Let's do a quick test. Let's ask, "Do you have running shoes available?" And we got the response, "Yes, we have running shoes available," along with a little description, sizes, and price. We can see the same information on our knowledge base file as well. Now let's ask a general question. Perfect. How much time does it take to deliver? And we got the response. Our standard delivery time is 3 to 5 business days. Next, let's ask an order status checking query. We got the response asking for the order ID. Let's say 431, and we got the response. Your order with ID 431 is currently being processed. Now let's ask the final question. I would like to talk to a human, and we got the response with the preset message. So it's working perfectly. We can connect the same AI agent with WhatsApp as well. For that, go to the WhatsApp section and enable it. Click on Manage, and here we have to enter the phone number ID, WhatsApp business ID, and access token, which can be found easily from developer.facebook.com. Once you enter the details, click Save. Let's check it on WhatsApp. Send hi, and we got the response. Let's ask a product question. I need a sunglass. And we got the product details. So by this way, you can integrate it with any kind of platform. Here is another one I created for a real estate agency, which can provide information about properties and even book appointments. And that's how easily you can build an intelligent, no-code AI agent, fully customized for your business, from handling product inquiries to automating workflows and even connecting with your CRM. It all comes together seamlessly inside GPTBots AI. So, if you're ready to experience enterprise-grade automation without writing a single line of code, click the link in the description, sign up for free, and start building your first AI agent today. Until next time, it's me, Rajiv, signing off.